Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to share with you Felicity Jane hauls. Let me just open up this first. So on Felicity Jane, if you are part of their subscription, they mail you a kit. But if you want the matching girls to match your kit, you have to order them separately. So look, she sent some cute little cards. I love that. Make it a beautiful day. Holly, Felicity Jane, love those. Thanks so much for your order. And that's Gina who owns it. So, and the holly for Christmas is coming out October 17th. So 2 days. Today's the 15th, so I cannot wait to see that. So I've been peeking at it online. So I picked up some of the girls. So this is Lola, and I have this kit already. How did I get 2? I have 3. Okay. Well, not sure what I'm going to do here. Might put that in the drawing bucket, or I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I have 3 of Lola, and I have 1 of Gina, and this is Gina. I think this is after her, the gal who owns the shop, who owns Felicity Jane, and so she is so cute. Cute. And then, oh, I love this one. This is Hannah. So, anyways, I just love this one. I think this one is darling. Okay, so I've already cut the tape, but I have not opened the box. So let's see what's in this month. Is this Holly? Oh no, she sent some more of the cards. I love that. Okay, and again, she signs everything, XO Gina. So, all right, some more beautiful of her ribbon, which of course I saved the ribbon. And let us see. Oh man, she wraps everything like it's a present. So the first thing I see is this gorgeous washi, and I'm trying to see. It's a like distressed black scalloped washi that is so pretty. Okay, and then this is the journaling cards. So let's open those real quick so you guys can see them. So it says, "Be good to yourself," and they'll either have a graph or a dot grid on the back. So that's all I'm going to, we don't need to see all that. Be good to yourself. I love the roses. Isn't that pretty? And then a list from 1 to 9. Love that. And then there it is with the dots. And then that's cute if you have a little picture or something you wanted to remember. A quote. Love. I know, I didn't say I love that, but I do. And then look at these, the ombre of the varying colors, the rainbow of dots. That's pretty. I don't know if it's ombre, but, kind of ombre-esque. I love this, like a little journaling plate. Tea for today. That is a good point. Live in the moment. Oh, I love this. This is like a little file folder, and it's that really faint pink. And you've got a place to write. So this would be cute to label and put a picture on it, or memorabilia. Here's that same rainbow. Finding beauty in the mess. Oh, amen. I keep trying. Notebook page. That's cute. That was really cute. Those are cute journaling cards. Okay, let me just make my pile underneath here. I'm going to get these scissors out of here. They're kind of deadly. I almost dropped them yesterday on my foot, and when they hit the ground, it sounded terrible. So here's all of the die cuts, and I'm not going to open them all. I'm just going to put this up here so you can see them. But aren't those cute? I love the journey season. There's Hannah on her bike. More of these other goodies. Look at that. And I love all the flowers. Her colors are just always so beautiful. Oh, look at these. Those are so cute. So there's 4 of these little bows, and they're tooling. I love that. That is so cute. Oh, and look at the epoxy stickers. Those are cute. This says, "Remember right now and go with the flow and pause." I love those. I love this too. Such pretty colors. Alrighty. Ooh, look what she's got here. She's got these cute little tag books. So that's cute. So I guess you can tear them off. That is so cute. Is it like paper? Like a sticky note? What is it like? Are you having these questions too, or do you already know? It says there's 16 pieces. No, they're like, look, and they're different, friends. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, friends, that is so much fun. Can't you see putting these, labeling these, and putting them in your scrapbook, your cards, your planner? Super cute. Now that's something new. I mean, we've all had like the admit one type things, but that one I really like. Oh, so let's look at the stickers. Ooh, these are pretty. It's a pretty, pretty, pretty kind of a faint pink. Isn't that pretty? And there's that. It's epoxy. Love that. Okay. You're ready to run out of space here. I can scooch it over. So here's the stamps. This says, be true to yourself. Answers, all part of my story. On my mind. Okay, now what? Worry less, live more. Amen. Questions. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. Nelson Mandela, that's a quote. Hannah, the name of the girl, and looking ahead. And look at the flowers, just like she has in her art. That is super cute. Love that. Alright, so let's look at the paper. And then we are done with Felicity Jane, my friends. Okay. Let's see. Yep. We'll try to be quick and rattle less. How's that? There we go. Alright, so I love this. This is gorgeous. So this is all Hannah. So isn't that beautiful? Oh gosh, I love that. And then here's, oh, the big dots. That's fun. And look at the edging. Kind of an ombre of the dots again. The rainbow dots. That's cute. And then look at these diamonds. I love, this is called Diamonds and Stripes. And then here's the stripes, and here's some more stripes. That's pretty. And then I love this, wood grain and scales. So I love the wood grain. Let's see what the scales are. Oh, mermaid scales. And then look at the dots on the bottom. I love that. And then more mermaids. So this is scales and tiles. So that's cute. I love those colors. Oh, look at the wood grain in there. Cute. And then, ooh, I love that. And look at the little rose on the strip. That's so cute. Okay. Pink and white stripe. This is called Diagonal Window and Panes. And then there's the panes, and then here's more in the dusty blue with some white hearts. Cute. There's more of that rainbow. Arrows and words. Ooh, let's see what the words are. Okay. Oh, just the way you are. I love that. And here's some more, another cute strip. Excuse me. And I absolutely love her scallop paper. It's just so pretty. Let's see. There's two versions of pink, kind of a dusty, a darker dusty and a light pink. And then there's that beautiful dusty blue. Ooh, with a kind of a, what's that color? It's not dusty blue, but it's a muted blue. I don't know, sailor blue, something, I don't know. But anyways, it's still gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if Gina ever sees these. She's super nice. You know, been gracious. We've emailed back and forth. So here's this month's kit. Absolutely charming and beautiful. And then here, what did I do with my stamps? Well, what did I do with my extra stamps? These are, oh, whoops. Yep, here they are. They were right there. And then here, oh, nope, wrong set of stamps. I've already put them away, guys. Oh, here they are. They're back here. Oh, goodness. And then here is my extra haul of, whoops, sorry, stamps. So there we go. That's it, guys. So this is it for my Felicity Jane haul. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you be a part of us. We'd love to encourage you. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I will be back with another haul in just a few minutes. So y'all take care. Bye-bye.